Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Beginner teaches Python programming to himself. So today we'll discuss about string formatting. For example, name, I write my name Rajesh in a string. Then I write age 59. Then like string, I'll make another string. No problem, double quote, single quote, gardening. Okay, then I'll say print. Hello, my name is, and I make open close this curly bracket. I am open close, and I like open close. So, and I'll put dot format in the bracket, name, age, like, close the bracket, close the this complete this bracket. So what is this formatting? I wrote this string hello my name is, and I put placeholder open close curly bracket. I am again placeholder, and I like placeholder, and in dot format in the bracket I wrote name, age, and like, and earlier it is declared that name is Rajesh, age 59, and like gardening. And if we hit enter, we'll see hello my name is Rajesh, I'm 59 and I like gardening. So these curly brackets, these are placeholders, and the things will be declared as per the your format. The 0 will go to the first, and first will go to the second, and the second will go to the third as per the placeholders, right? So this is called string formatting. Now if I do this, for example, print, Python is placeholder programming language, placeholder can learn it, uh, it's placeholder, and I say dot format in the bracket, I put simplest, another I'll say anybody, one more I'll say fun, and hit enter. You'll see the placeholders I replaced by dot format, simplest, anybody, and fun. So it become, the string become Python is the simplest programming language. Anybody can learn it. It's fun. Now this example, the first example, dot format. Now after Python 3.6, they made it even simpler. So now what I have to do? The first example I'll take this. Same example I'll take, and how it is simplified further, this one. So you see in the dot format I wrote that hello my name is this placeholder, and like this. So they had made it even simpler. So here after Python 3.6, we no need to write dot format, simply this string, and you write F, small or capital doesn't make a difference, and in the placeholder itself you can write name, age, and like, and same output will be obtained. See, hello, my name is Rajesh, I am 59, I like gardening. So this is all about formatting, and they had made simpler after this Python 3.6 onwards. So before we are putting dot format, and in the bracket we are declaring the our declarations in order, and it was the placeholders was taking it as per the order 0, 1, 2, 3. So here onwards, because what is happening, if it is 3 is okay, if it is 15, 10, then it was all messing up, because if order is wrong, then everything will go wrong. So instead of that, they made it even simpler. F and the string, and in the placeholder itself you put the your declarations. So it is simple as that. Now, so this concept is clear, I believe it. Now we'll see, for example, I want to do this. For example, I'll open a new one. And here I'll say for I in range 1 to 11, for example, colon print I, then I into I into I, and I give the enter. So here you see it is printed. I came as per the range 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, and I into I come in the second column, and I into I come in the third column. But you see it is untidy. So how can we make it tidy? With this format we can make it tidy. So how we can make it? I will just copy paste the same thing. I will copy paste same thing. I will not do in this one, I will do it in the fresh one, just to be more clear. And here I'll use the format function. What I'll do, I'll say dot format, put this in the bracket, and here I'll make it a string, and inside I'll put these placeholders 1 space 2 space 3, and here further I can even tell that colon say 2D, that means 2 digits, it will be 2 integers only, here colon 3D for example, and here colon 4D. That means it will take 2 integers, 3 integers and 4 integers, and this I will go for print. Excuse me, I put here wrong spelling for the format. Excuse me for that. It alerts you by changing the color actually. Dot format, and you see this. Now we can compare how it was earlier. So you see, the earlier without format it was little untidy because the column got mixed up, and the new one, if I want to check it here, this one, you can see that this one is in orderly form, 3 columns are different. So that's the advantage of format. Now we'll see one more thing.